Well, I think we're largely involved in the water sector, a little bit in the power sector and a little bit in the transportation sector, but largely in the water sector. And I suppose one of the big changes we've seen over the last 15 years or so has been a shift in procurement methods, and a shift really in the procurement from what was the traditional engineer designed, contractor built, owner operated model to design build and then design build operate models. And that's been quite a change, I think, in procurement strategies. Certainly we've seen it in Ireland, and we've seen it, I think, worldwide. Well, I think certainly it's still, in a lot of places, it still carries a role in the selection of projects, and perhaps too great a role. And I know that's something in the UK have been coming out of, a little bit something we've been advocating in Ireland too, a sort of an infrastructure commission or an infrastructure planning body that would decide on where the project priorities were, rather than leaving it to the politicians, because very often competing political necessities, I suppose, drive projects, and a project can be advanced at the expense of another project which has a better economic return or better social return, purely because of where it is or where it's located. And obviously that carries through into the developing world as well. And leaders there may find that they need to enhance their political reputation, their political kudos by promoting a particular project, and maybe a high profile project where the money might very often be better expended on a number of smaller projects.